I'm Miss Toya from St. Rose Library, and I'm here to let you all know what's going to be in your programs to go packet. For Etched in Stone, you're going to have a packet of crayons, blank paper. You're going to have a rubbing plate of dinosaurs, one rubbing plate of flour, and either 1 to 2 embossed paper of dinosaurs. Okay, we're going to get started. And this is my little sample here. I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to take out a crayon. You're going to take your rubbing plate. You're going to place your paper on top. Okay, normally you take a crayon, you do like this, but this time we're going to lay it sideways, such as this. I can't wait for the magic to unfold. Here we go. Okay. Ooh, this is beautiful. And you just keep rubbing until everything comes up. Oh, such magic. Woo. Oh. Yes. Let's get this little small one here, and I can show you exactly how it looks. Okay, I've done mine. And this is what I got. See? We have a big dinosaur and we have a little one. Okay? Let's see about the flower. Guess we do red this time. Everyone likes something red. Let's see, we're going to do this one. All right. Again, sideways. Sideways is the best. Comes up real fast, y'all. Comes up real fast. And here's our flower. Yes, now that we know how to do the rubbings, let's do a whole picture. Okay? You're going to take your blank paper. I think I might do a dinosaur in the middle this time. So you just get your paper and you just section your dinosaur to where you want it. Again, sideways. Sideways is the best. Okay. Doing my dinosaur. Okay. All right. And then I think I'm going to do a flower. Let me get another color. All right. Library magic. Okay, now that we finished our picture, see I have my dinosaur in the middle and my flowers around the side. I'm going to show you something else on how to do your background, such as this. So I'm going to use my yellow crayon. You can use any color you like, but I'm going to use my yellow. And I'm going to use another paper just so that you can actually get to the edges of your paper. Same side, sideways as well. And I'm just going to go on top. I'm just going to go right on top of everything that I've colored. Don't be afraid. It's going to be wonderful. Just keep shading. And I do the other paper so you won't have to get crayon on whatever else that you're on your surface, on your table or anything of that nature. Just keep going all the way around. Top of everything that you've done. And then, let's see, here we go. Mr. Edge. And there's my background. Pretty cool, isn't it? Oh, upside down. Pretty cool, isn't it? Dinosaur in the middle, flowers on the end. And you can get really, really creative with this. You can do double dinosaurs, triple flowers with a background as well. Just get really, really creative with it and watch the magic unfold. Now, we have our embossed paper. This is our bonus. You pretty much have 1 to 2 of these. Same technique, same exact technique. You're gonna use your crayon to the side And it's going to be a little bit different because it's already raised. So you're just going to go lightly right on top. Right on top. You can do your dinosaur first. There's other things listed in here too. Let's see. Let's go right here. Change colors on myself. And you can do multiple colors on top of the dinosaur as well. Because I did a red and then I did like a purple on top. Alright, and I'm going to show you right now exactly how it looks. Alright. See? There we have it. You have your border. Your dinosaur have a couple of flowers in it, like moss coming from the top. And there you have it. We have our first rub-ons sketches, our complete picture, and our embossed. Hope you all enjoyed your embossing sheets, but we have more to come. Okay? For our etched in stone to-go packet. See you in a few. Hi, part 2 about etched in stone. What dinosaur packet would be complete without a volcano in a bottle? In your packet, you will have a bottle with vegetable oil as well as your food coloring already in place. You're going to get a packet of Alka Seltzer that we're going to drop in. And all thing you really need to do is provide the water. Okay? Make sure we have an adult present for the Alka Seltzer. So let's get started. We're going to open up the bottle and we're going to pour the water in slowly. Real slow. Because if not, you're going to have to wait a while. Let's see. Let's see if Miss Tori can get it in here real slow. And we're going to fill it up most of the way, not all the way. This little portion cannot be rushed. Okay, we're almost getting to that point. Alright. Fill it up to just a little bit more probably. Just a tad bit more. Okay. Up to this portion pretty much. Alright, then we're going to take out Alka Seltzer. I'm going to open up the packet. I'm going to take one tablet out. We're going to pop that in half. So put it in half, such as this. We're going to put the other side to the side. I'm going to break it in half again. Are y'all ready for the magic? You ready for that volcano? Okay, here we go. It's one half of it and it's the other half. Oh, this is way cool. Volcano magic. Oh. You think you need the other piece in there? Yeah. Okay. Let's just start. Your volcano looks like as though it has lost its magic. It's okay to pop off another piece of your Alka Seltzer and drop it in. And just watch the magic happen again. Here it goes. Wow. Pretty cool, y'all. Pretty cool. Can't wait for you to get your packet so you can do this yourselves. Goodbye.